Hi, welcome to my first ever living room tour on video. I really hope you enjoy it. Come on in. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Medina. I'm a DIY and interiors blogger, and I share lots of creative ways to decorate your home, interesting interior design ideas, and I've also got a How I Rent series. If you haven't checked it out, check out my How I Rent playlist. And also I am the author of Home Sweet Rented Home. I've dropped a link below just in case you wanted to buy it. You know. Today I am going to be sharing my living room makeover. My living room has undergone so many transformations over the past 3 years, but I've never felt comfortable with it. I always felt something was missing. So this is actually my final look. The sofa, which is kind of like the big statement piece of my front room, and that's because it's yellow, has been moved around quite often. I've tried it by the window, I've tried it in the middle of the room, and now it's basically facing my window, and it's so much better. Honestly guys, there's so much space in my living room now. My living room has a sort of like a weird shape to it, so it's quite long and it has a staircase in it, so there's not a lot of space. It's really me just maximizing what I do have and making it a really nice multifunctional space for all of us to enjoy. You'll see I've got a space in the entrance for like storage and to hang our baskets, and then I've got a really cute space under the stairs, which is my son's homework station, which has been really amazing because that space would have otherwise just probably had junk. It's an awkward space, but I mean, this way I've utilized the space so much more better. So my son loves that space. It's under our stairs. We've got some drawers there, we've got a table. Love it. On the other side of the room, we have like almost wall to ceiling bookcases. Again, it's renter friendly, and I do have a link below if you want to know how you can create those shelving yourself. It is great in terms of storage, so I've got loads of books on there, my plants. I've also got baskets at the bottom for my son's toys, which I can just hide away, which makes everything look so much more cohesive in the room. I've also got my chairs on the wall. I could only fit a really large sofa in the actual space and maybe like a small side chair, but if I do have guests, I've got a place for them to sit because we just grab the chairs off the wall and we can use those. I'm gonna show you now my living room tour. There are some things that are still missing. For example, under my son's workstation where the computer is, cables are really disgusting. We have placed a TV on the windowsill, however eventually that's going to be on the wall in the corner, so there's lots of wires there. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what you think of my new makeover. Everything that I've shown you in this tour is going to be linked on my blog, so please make sure you check out my blog link down below. Thank you. This is like our entry, just because we happen to have the stairs in the living room, so it kind of separates it from the rest of the room. So we have a place for bags and keys and things like that. Little bits and bobs. I've put baskets there. I'm not going to show you what's on the other side of this door because it's actually a complete mess. This wallpaper is actually from Colorade Decor. I have linked below. It's so lovely. It's removable. Stairs are literally my favorite feature in this room. So what I've done is, although to be honest, it does need painting again on the sides. I've painted the risers and I've carpeted the step, and I've also added in really cool industrial numbers. Then I have my frames here. These are all from Unique. I have used H&M picture frames. This is his little corner, and again all the storage is inside these drawers here. A lovely swivel chair that I got from Argos, but yeah, there's some really ugly looking cables there that we still need to sort out, so that is one final thing that I need to do. I had to put the TV here for now, but hopefully it will be in this corner here eventually. These curtains, which I think are fabulous, are from Next Home. This this lamp was a gifted. This is actually multiple bookcases connected together from Argos. As you can see at the bottom, we've just added in a skirting board to make it look like it's more built in. It's really easy to do, and because I rent, I can just remove them once I move, if I move. Cannot tell you how long I've been searching for the perfect coffee table, and this literally is the perfect, do not mind my mug, perfect coffee table for me. It's such a lovely colour and it's so sturdy, really good quality from Laredoux, and also this chair is from Laredoux too. So is this cushion, and this cushion is a handmade one from Salsabil Interiors, so you should check her out. You won't believe this, but I've actually got all my tote bags inside here, and I got that idea from Emma Jane Palin. You might remember her from my first How I Rent home tour.
This is full of old tote bags.
Really? My gorgeous, gorgeous sofa, which I'm so in love with. I've had it for about 2.5 years now, actually. I've got a post on my blog, gives advice on how to look after it when you have pets and children. I don't think I'll ever go back to a cotton or linen or whatever type sofa ever again. These cushions are from, this one's from Habitat and this is from Laredoux. I do change my cushions around often depending on my mood. Forgot to mention this lovely piece of art from Dorcas Crates. I bought that one over there from Kinfolk's shop, I think it was called. I will double check. This shelf really houses lots and lots of my books. Plants, hanging plants, which I got from Beards and Daisies. And this one has grown so much. Gosh, look at it. When I first got it, it was up to there, and now it's like all the way down here. But if there's anything that you really like on these shelves, I've linked it all in my blog post, so don't forget to check it out. Honestly, what do you think? I'm so pleased with the layout.